Jeff Keenan here with the Ember Smart Mug version 2. I'm going to show you how to make the coaster work again. Ember Smart Mug version 2 for a few years now, and it's still working great. Now, I added this lid here. It helps keep the coffee warm even longer. Now, the only problem with the Ember mugs is the charging coaster. It can stop working, and you have to fiddle with it to get the charge to start. Now, the problem with the coaster, it uses these two little metallic pins to contact the mug to charge it, and they can get stuck or dirty. So I finally found a solution. I got some of this synthetic super lube. It has a little bit of Teflon in it, and it's non-conductive. I put just a tiny bit on the pins, and then I cleaned it off with a rag afterwards. Once I did that, I worked the super lube into the pins a little bit, pushing up and down, and then the mug started charging great again. There you go. Love the Ember Smart Mug. Now that I've figured out how to keep the coaster working, it's going to be even better. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Wi-Fi and tech products.